How to make the warp transition. Today's video is sponsored by a random guy I've found on Google. Add a fusion cross-dissolve transition between your clips. Right-click to the transition, and select to open in Fusion page. Double-click to the cross-dissolve node, select the dissolve, and go to the Modifiers tab. Change the curve to easing, set the in and out to quint, and close down the dissolve node. Bring a warper node to your flow. Change the warp limits to distance. Set the edge behavior to replicate. Open up the on-screen controls menu, and increase the scale controls. Increase the warp scale value to 2. Now you just need to warp your image the way you like. Click in your image to create a warp point, and move it around to distort your clip. Make as many warp points you like. Once you are satisfied with your result, right-click to the warp scale value, and select, guess what? Modify with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, set the in and out to sine, and check the mirror box. Now that you've made your transition, you can move around the warp points and experiment with it a bit, to create some various transitions. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, don't worry, you can subscribe also.